Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to use the QLabel control in our Qt widget application and what is the use of QLabel control and how we can use and access basics property and what are the properties which we can use for the QLabel control. So let's start. So just simply type here label and here you will get your label control. So simply label control is just a display text. Okay, so whenever you want to display any specific or static information to user, you can use your QLabel control. Okay, so just simply write your text here Qt with Ketan. Let's type. So there's a basic font properties, font size, bold, strike out, family, font family you can set as per your requirement. Okay, so this is a simple label text. There is some event also, link activator or link event. You can also use this label control as link event. Okay, there is some another properties or useful properties just like a pixmap scale content. In next video I will show you what is the how we can display images on pixmap control, our label control. And there is one more property is a word wrap. Okay, so this is a useful property. So if you want to display a multi-line text, okay, so that's that time the word wrap property will be useful. That so let's just simply just let me resize this label and hide some text and now click the word wrap. So you can see all the text, all the words are automatically fit in the inside our label. There is one more property, frame shaped. So you can define your box, panel, win panel, V line, H line, okay, or style the QLabel as per your requirement. Okay, there is one more property is our alignment. Okay, so this is a display text alignment. If you want to display your text in the center of our label or center of the vertically and horizontally, there is one property is the alignment. Okay, there is some other properties the text and text format. Okay, so it's a plain text, rich text, markdown. So it's a simple plain text. If you want there is a multiple text. Okay, so it's a rich text. Okay, there is a plain text, auto text. So simply auto text is by default selected. Here is a frame shape, panel, line width. So you can define the line width. You can see when I increase the line width, you can see there's a border size also increased. Okay, so there is a per H line, V line, you can see the difference of the our line. Okay, so it's just like a Windows panel. Okay, so this is the our QLabel control, or you can define the new frame and how we can set the text on the label. So there is a one function. Let me just put one button control to update the text. Just simply create its event and now update the text. So on click event we will update the text. So set text is a function which we can use to update the text, and here just pass your new data. Okay, so Qt okay, so now let's run this application. Wait for the build. Now just click on the button. So you can see the text is updated. So it's a basic label control. Label control is simply used for the display or static information to the user. Okay, it is a very lightweight control to display any text on the user or in your application. Okay, in next video I will show you how to customize or and how to display the image in our label control. Okay, so this is our label control where we can access or use how we can use the label control in our Qt widget application, or how to apply the or change your text at the runtime in your Qt application. So please drop your comment if you have any questions, and please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get your notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.